may tao. I had you in a beside you too. I had to slip over tonight. Then you stood in your doorway. I had a mission man.
Ay ba, Mr. Mark Bagisa. Syukran katir. Ay ba, thank you, thank you.
There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, we're down to the Hotel of California. Since you love me, since you love me,
may sabaw yung iba, ano?
Alam mo? Zoom daw sa Africa.
Ako naman.
Her mother is sister. She got bitch in the bed. She got a lot of pretty boys. She got friends. Oh, keep me selling, put it up on
Pawisan na ako.
something to remember, something to forget.
Mr. Mark! How are you? How are you? Good? Good? I'm sorry for your shortcomings. Kawawa naman si Mark kasi na. Kiss mo nga yung... Oh, kiss mo nga si birthday boy. Kiss mo. Kiss, kiss. Birthday boy, inutusan nyo? Eh, pinunos mo yung basahan. Putang ina, basahan yan boy. Hindi yan kumot. Mark. Thank you. Ay, aray! Nag-pull na. Pull, okay. She said,
You just listen right here.
nakalugay. 1 inch pants. Mark! Thank you ha. Gusto mo yata ang Louie, bakit kayo?
Oy, Yusi!
Hindi po.
Hindi mo binunusi? Ay, siya.
Syukran.